drug dealer proposed to his girlfriend. Mary, you wanna? Hey, Pennsylvania patients, it's me again, Medical Mary. Today, I thought we would go over a little dab device, the HONEYstick. Now, the top looks a little janky. They're not the most strong thing in the world. I believe I broke this when I was taking it apart to clean it. Thank goodness for super glue and tape. You have to be very careful while removing the top. This one has a ceramic coil. It's kind of hard to see. It's a little dirty. But the top is still fine. Just be careful. They crack in half pretty easy. I just picked this little guy up. Ecto-cooler. Pretty cool. This is a new crumble by the Prism. Prism is the name of the grower. It smells really good, but it had a really hard to open top. So you would think that this is the top. It's not. That's the bottom. This is the top. Now that that's clear, it has a child safety lock, so you could just sit here and turn nothing. So you have to lay it flat on your hand like this, and put this hand flat, and with pressure, turn it counterclockwise. Now that we have our top down, we can load this up with some concentrates. Remember, always load a little less because you can always add more. And if you overfill this chamber, it's like it doesn't heat evenly, and then it starts to taste stale and burnt. So a little bit, and then vape it, and add a little more. Even though it's a pain, it'll be worth it. You'll go through less concentrates. Come on, trust me. I use just a little dab instrument like this. Here we go, little dab. Load this up right in there. You don't want to push it down hard on the coil. It can kind of be a little on the side. The heat will just make it slide right down there. And the cap goes back on before you use it. Let me just close this up. You never want to leave open dabs just lying around for the dog to jump in. Now to turn this on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's on. It's set for red. That's the lowest heat setting, but it's 3 clicks in between heat settings. So it's 1, 2, 3, medium, 1, 2, 3, and that's high heat. You know me, I like to start on low, go slow. I am a fan of this HONEYstick. The ceramic coil is okay. I prefer the double quartz coils. They hit a little bit harder. I've been on HONEYstick's website and I found, let's see here. Oh, hold on one second. I've just ordered this in the mail. I'm really excited. As a regular nicotine vapor, I already have all these different mods, so this goes right on top of a regular mod You can hit it between 13 and 38 watts. There's a triple coil right there and a ceramic donut. That looks pretty great. So I'm thinking maybe I just ordered one. As soon as I get it in, we're gonna review it, we're gonna try it, we're gonna tell you if you should buy it. This one's pretty good. What I didn't like about this was this top piece here was very sensitive. It just cracked in half while I was taking it off. I wasn't even cleaning it. I was just lightly taking it off. Whenever you have any concentrate product like this, you have to make sure that this gets cleaned all the time and wiped in here. It gets sticky and it gets stuck and then it pulls and then I can't wait to get that new vape in and try it out. If that can be hit at 14 watts minimum, I'm pretty sure these hit probably around 5 watts. So I'm thinking that will be a lot more like your nail dab rig experience with that bigger tank, and it looks just as inconspicuous as a regular vape. I'm pretty excited about it, but let's also talk about this new concentrate. It had a pretty nice high THC, if that's what you look for, and it has a lot of terpenes in it. So it says it's known for its robust terpene profile. Tastes pretty good. The flower was better, but I really like the consistency. It's enough that you can almost touch it with your hands and not get it like drippy, sticky all over everything. I found it worked better at room temp than in the freezer, so that was a plus. I don't need to store it in there. I'm happy with it. One is never enough. Let's just put a little more in there. Not too much, just a little bit. Let's turn it up a little bit.